What's up folks, welcome to MD Tech. My name is Marko, your weekly fix of news, leaks, rumors and opinions. Everything about Apple products and their competitors. Before we continue, if you like this type of content, please subscribe. Let's go! Excellent news guys, it's been confirmed. The iPhone SE 2020 is coming this Friday on April 17th. The new entry-level iPhone will have familiar design that's been here for years. This also includes well-known physical home button with integrated Touch ID sensor. But beside old, slightly refreshed casing, it's coming with hot internals like Apple's 8-core A13 bionic chip, which is the most powerful mobile processor in the world, paired with 3 gigs of RAM, which should provide more than enough firepower for perfectly optimized iOS. Besides improved battery life, thanks to A13 Bionic, the iPhone SE will also support fast and wireless charging. As far as connectivity goes, it comes with Wi-Fi 6 and gigabit class LTE. The latest iteration of the model will have dual SIM support thanks to the eSIM. What's going to be mind-blowing will be camera. Yes, it's 12 megapixel sensor, f1.8 aperture wide camera, and thanks to neural engine of A13, it also means some of the marks of iPhone 11. That means next generation smart HDR and high quality video capabilities with front and rear cameras. This year's iPhone SE will come with 4.7-inch Retina display with True Tone technology, which is identical to previous models with similar designs like iPhone 7 and iPhone 8. That also means IP67 water resistance. It's been confirmed this year's model is coming in 3 color variants: black, white and product red. As far as storage goes, iPhone SE will be available with 64 gigs, 128 and 256 gigs options. Finally, price-wise, this year's model will start with $399 mark, regardless of color for 64 gigs version. Difference, however, is a portion of the earnings from iPhone SE Product Red will go directly to Global Fund's newly established COVID-19 response, as well as HIV/AIDS like in previous years. That's all for now. Are you guys excited about the upcoming iPhone? Did these specs surprise you, or you expected something more from this year's iPhone SE? Please write in a comment below. If you like this video, thumbs up and hit notification icon so you don't miss the next one. Thank you for watching, stay safe, bye!